Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Messenger ringtone. So if you want to change the ringtone of your Messenger app, let me show you how it is done. The first thing is open Messenger and you need to click on these three lines at the top left corner. Once you click on it, click on this gear icon to open up your settings. Once you get to settings, scroll down and click on notification and sounds. Once you click on it, you are going to the option for ringtone. So click on that. Once you click on ringtone, you are going to see different ringtone that you can use right here. You can also select the default ringtone by clicking on Messenger. So depending on your choice. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this.